Another popular Portland restaurant has permanently shut its doors. Today, the owner of Pok Pok.
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 Pok Pok. At Pok Pok in Portland, Oregon.
Today, we're making Pok Pok Wings. These delicious Vietnamese chicken wings are full of flavor that you're not going to want to miss. This is a sweet and salty chicken wing that will have you craving more. Let's get cooking. Start by slicing about 16 cloves of garlic. We'll add 2 teaspoons of salt and use a mortar and pestle to grind it up. Add half a cup of warm water. Let sit. In a mixing bowl, dissolve 1 cup of sugar using 1 cup of fish sauce. Add the garlic infused water to the marinade. We're using about 4 pounds of chicken wings that will separate into drumlets and winglets. Mix it all together and let marinate for at least 8 hours. For the wing coating, mix together 2 cups of rice flour and a half cup of tempura batter mix. We'll drain the wing marinade into a separate bowl, as we'll be using this marinade later. Put the wings into the coating and toss, ensuring that all of the chicken has a nice coating. In an air fryer set to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll add our chicken. Spray generously with oil and allow to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll flip the chicken and cook for a final 10 minutes. Once the chicken is done, we'll remove it and place on a cooling rack. The process is repeated for the remaining chicken. For the final glaze, we'll take that leftover marinade, some chili peppers, and allow it to reduce and caramelize. We'll toss our chicken wings in and flip them around to ensure a nice coating all over the entire wing. Repeat this process for all of the wings. plate everything, we'll add some rice, cucumber, and of course, Pok Pok wings. This recipe makes about 8 servings and is fantastic for lunch and dinner. The flavor of these Vietnamese wings goes all the way to the bone and does not disappoint. Let me know what foods you want to see next.